Podcast. Y'all awesome. And our mutual love of Opie, kind of bonded us after class at Great Star and all of that good stuff. I really appreciate the type of friend you come off as and the disposition you have. You're kind of behind the scenes, but once people get to know you, you're really actually an awesome person, because sometimes you can come off a little standoffish, but it's okay. Not everybody needs to be all in your facial features, so that's fine. But I appreciate the ability to bug you, and I hope I can continue to bug you for a long, long time. My dear, dear butter knife, as violent and mean and pain-driven as you can be, you're actually like a little cute teddy bear, and I just want to cuddle you and hug you and pinch you and squeeze you, but that's neither here nor there. I won't give away your secret any further beyond this video, but you're awesome. I'm really glad I got to meet you and Pie Crust, and hopefully, well, it's not a hopefully, I'ma pretty much bother you from now until the end of time, and you being apparently immortal, that's gonna be a long ass time. So hopefully you'll get used to it. Both of you guys are awesome, and I'm out.
Thank you, Bipie, for everything that you two have done for me. Thank you for all the unconditional love you two have also given me. Thank you for always being by my side, supporting me through the good and bad decisions that I have made throughout my life and my SO. The love and appreciation that I have for both of you is out of this world, and I know the bond that I created with both of you is a lifetime bond. Bye. What can I say about you? You're like my bodyguard. Always there for me, always watching out, always making sure I'm good. Which, you've been in my life for 2 years. I can say that you're the best father I ever had. You're my supporter, my backbone, the fire-breathing dragon. And basically, I appreciate you for everything that you have done for me in the past 2 years. When it comes to you two, I don't think there's no words that could describe you. I know on behalf of me, everyone in this room, we greatly appreciate you and everything that you two have done, either if it was with boys, the community, or just being parents, uncles, brothers, sisters, grandchildren, whatever. We all appreciate you too, and I don't think there's no words that I don't think any of us could ever describe you two, because y'all two are just incredible, exciting women in everyone's life.
Okay. Hi Bipie, hi Switch. So, when they asked me if I'd be part of this video, I thought, do I know you guys enough? I do. I know you guys enough to say that you have been a positive influence on the grid. I know you guys enough to know you have supported me in all my strange events and probably will continue to support me. You have both shown me and shown the people around you that you are a productive and positive person and productive and positive steps. That's why I have chosen this little poem for you. It's called Life Steps. Our entire life is made up of choices. What we decide, the actions we take, the attitude we display, all represent the steps of life. Sometimes we take 2 steps forward and 1 step back. Some of us take baby steps, some of us giant steps. But the secret is not to let that 1 step turn into a failure. Learn from backward steps and keep on stepping forward in this dance called life. You guys always stepping forward, so keep on stepping.
Alright, so y'all know I hate tonight, but I had to get on this video and say a few words to my daddy and my Uncle Switch. I love you two so much. Y'all encompass the true meaning of family to me on SL. You hold so many of us together with your strength and your presence, and it's felt even when you're not around. I came into this family a little later than most, but the two of you opened your arms and your hearts to me without hesitation. I'm able to share everything from a few laughs to some of my deepest secrets with both of you, because you each give me a trustworthy platform to do so. You both accept people as they come and love without stipulation. So today, I just wanted to chime in with everyone else and remind you both that you are indispensable and completely appreciated by so many of us, including me. I love you guys.
So this is an appreciation for Switch and Bipie, and basically I don't too much know anything about Boy, but BOI, except for that, y'all run it for a long time. Y'all been running it, and y'all always try to get me to join and everything, but you know how anti-social I am. But throughout the time that we've known each other, Switch, you've always been a really good friend to me. You've been close like a brother, and you've guided me sometimes like a father, and I appreciate that much from you. And Bipie, you always give me a good laugh, even though we don't talk much, but from what I see, and from the little times that we do talk, you cool as hell. So, and just let y'all know that keep doing what you're doing. I like seeing sometimes when I log on Facebook and stuff that y'all doing stuff for the community or to better things. We all have our hang-ups and everything, but you don't let that stop you. You keep going, and for that I appreciate both of y'all very much. And I pray that God blesses y'all on the path that He wants you to go down, and you come out enlightened and more exuberant than ever. So that's about it. Y'all have a good one.